All right, intermediate algebra students, today you have two other cons to get done. The first one is going to be solutions of inequalities, graphical, and then the second one will be solutions of systems of inequalities. So let's get started with our first one here. Solutions of inequalities, graphical. This one is quite simple. So you have to take this coordinate point right here, and you have to see, is it within the shaded region or on the line if it's a solid line, not on line if it's a dashed. If you remember, dashed line, points on a dashed line are not included, points on a solid line are included. So is -2 +4, so -2, 1, 2, and then +4, 1, 2, 3, 4, is that point in the shaded region? In this case, the answer is no. So I guess I haven't put that together. We need to fill in the no circle and put that there. Coming over to this one. Is -2 +2 within the shaded region? So -2, 1, 2, +2, 1, 2. Yes, that one is in the shaded region. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to duplicate that, and we're going to put a yes on that one. That is just how simple that one is. Hopefully you should have no difficulties with that one whatsoever. Moving on to our next one. And you know what, I'm going to clone one of these because I think I'm going to need one. I don't know what the answer is yet. Oh, I need two of them actually. So we'll take care of that as well. Now I've got two answers I can go with. All right, the next one. A little bit more difficult than the previous one, but not that much more difficult. So if I plug in 0 and 2 into this equation, does it hold true? In this case, 0 for x, that would be 0. 2 for y, this would be 10. 0 plus 10 would equal 10. Is 10 less than or equal to -6? No, it's not. So if one of these holds to be not true, then it's the no. Would it have held true for the other one? See, 0 times 4 would be 0. 2 times -8 would be -16. So 0 plus -16 is -16. Is -16 less than -16? No. So in this case, it actually was not true for either one. It only needs to be not true for one or the other. It doesn't need to be for both, although in this case it did not hold true for both. What that actually means graphing-wise is that point 0, 2 would have been like in a non-shaded part for both lines, like over in this region right here. So if it was not true for one or the other, that could have been it was true for one but not true for the green, or it was true for the green but not true for the blue. What we are looking for, though, is it true for both? Would it be in the darker shaded region in this region? Okay, so that's basically what we're looking for. Is it true for both equations? So let's take a look at the second one here. Now they've given us the graphs of the two equations, and we have to figure out, is 4 a solution to both graphs? So as we go over, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that hold true for both of them? Well, the blue shades above, the green shades below. Yes, it's in the darker shaded region, so this one turns out to be a yes. So hopefully that makes sense how to do that. This would be the only one you might have that I can probably foresee you'd have some questions on. But even this one I think you should be able to do pretty well on. The one above, solutions of inequalities, graphical, quite simple on that one. I'm assuming most of you will blow through that one pretty quickly. So again, I'm online from 9 to 11 this morning. I'm also online again from 1 to 3 this afternoon. See me via Google Hangouts. Any questions you might have, I'm happy to answer. On each of these cons, I believe you need to get 3 out of 4 to level up, so you are allowed one mistake each time you're doing these, so that's got to make you feel a little bit better. Again, I encourage you, as these first few have been pretty easy, not all of them will be this easy, so you're always better off working ahead, trying to get a few ahead. In fact, you can complete the whole unit ahead of time. Again, the test on this, If you're working ahead, you can give yourself more time on that test to make sure that you really maximize the points you're earning for this unit. Obviously, maximizing your grade then at the same time. I'm sure by this point many of you have already worked ahead. I'm pre-recording this one, so no one's worked ahead as of right now that I know of. So, but please feel free to work ahead, and hopefully you'll find this unit. You'll be learning something, and you're going to find that it works in your learning style. Hopefully you're enjoying this distance learning. But again, I can't wait to see you guys. So have a good one, and good luck.